When planning for your retirement 20 years down the road, the decisions you make today can have a huge impact on your financial future. Whether you're starting with little or have built a significant savings, it's crucial to be strategic in your planning so that you can enjoy a comfortable, worry-free retirement. But how do you begin? And how can you make sure your retirement fund is set up to weather the ups and downs of the market, inflation, and other unforeseen risks? Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Planning for retirement seems overwhelming, but don't worry. I'll walk you through exactly what needs to be done. And if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to discover why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. That guide could be a game changer for you. Let's dive into the first step. Start early. The earlier you begin saving, the more your money has the opportunity to grow. Compound interest is a powerful tool, and over 20 years, it can turn even modest contributions into substantial wealth. But starting early isn't enough. You need a plan that focuses on maximizing that growth. Now, here's something to consider. If your retirement plan doesn't include a diversified investment strategy, you could be missing out. Many people stick to traditional assets like stocks or bonds, which can be risky, especially in volatile markets. A better option is diversifying across different asset classes. But if you're looking for the best way to protect your wealth, a gold IRA is an ideal choice. Gold has historically maintained its value over time and offers protection against inflation and economic downturns. Let's talk about that for a second. Traditional IRAs and 401ks are great, but they are tied to the market's performance. If the market crashes, so does your savings. This is where a gold IRA shines. Not only does it offer potential for growth, but it's a tangible asset that can safeguard your wealth against market volatility. I highly recommend exploring this option, especially if you're planning for retirement in the next 20 years. Next, consider how much risk you're willing to take on. If you're closer to retirement age, a safer approach might make sense. But if you're in your 40s or 50s, you have more time to take calculated risks for higher returns. The key here is to balance risk with the goal of building your retirement fund steadily. Also, keep in mind that taxes can take a significant chunk out of your retirement savings. Roth IRAs or 401ks are great tax-efficient options for long-term growth. However, in comparison, gold IRAs offer another level of tax protection by allowing you to hold physical gold in your retirement account, which can be incredibly valuable in the long run. Another crucial element in retirement planning is regularly reviewing and adjusting your strategy. Life changes, and so do financial circumstances. Whether it's a new job, a change in your spending habits, or fluctuations in the market, adjusting your portfolio as needed ensures that you're always on track to meet your retirement goals. And again, a gold IRA can help mitigate some of these fluctuations while providing a hedge against market instability. Lastly, always factor in your retirement lifestyle goals. Do you plan to travel, help out your children or grandchildren, start a business? These goals will impact how much you need to save, and they may require you to be more aggressive with your investments. The earlier you plan for these goals, the better prepared you'll be. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that planning for your retirement is a long-term commitment, and it starts with making the right choices today. If you're serious about securing your financial future, consider a gold IRA. It's one of the best ways to protect your wealth over the next 2 decades and beyond. If you have 100K plus or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5MA plus in savings, this guide is perfect for you. Click the first link in the description to get started and learn how to safeguard your savings with a gold IRA. Planning for retirement may feel overwhelming, but with the right strategy and investment approach, it doesn't have to be. Start today, take control of your financial future, and ensure your wealth lasts for the next 20 years and beyond.